Hey guys, today I'm going to be working with Gelish Polygel in Natural Clear Sheer. I purchased this on eBay for about $58 a couple months ago, and I'm just now getting to use it. So here's the slip and the little tool that comes with it. And I am starting by cleaning my cuticle, and I'm just pausing because I had cleaned my cuticles out and prepped the day before, but still had missed a little bit. So it's just a good thing to do this because prep is key to not have lifting. Okay, so I took a little bit of length off that nail, and now I'm just doing the Dehydrator, also by Gelish, that I've had for years. And I'm applying Bonder. This is by ASP, I believe, and had this for a while. I just use what I have on hand. I don't use the whole line of products, and I am curing that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply the polygel. It is super thick, and it's showing you how milky it is, but it will not go anywhere. Once I apply it to the nail, it doesn't start to run, doesn't start to go in the cuticle or sidewalls or anything. It just kind of stays there. So I'm using this little brush, so don't even comment on my brush. I have larger ones, but I don't know, I just felt like I could control this one better, control the polygel better with this brush. So I was probably pressing down a little bit too hard, but the polygel, it is hard. It's not really an easy product to deal with. You know, like the just regular gel, or yeah, the gel we use, or acrylic. So, you know, you have to put a little bit more effort into it. So I thought I could have better control with this little tiny brush. So it looks like I have added a little bit more product here, and I'm just kind of trying to build an extension here and trying to control what shape it is so I don't have to file that much. And I'm adding another bead of it. I ended up making this nail kind of thick because of the problems I've been having with lifting, cracking, breaking, all of that. So I wanted to make it nice and strong. Here I'm just really trying to make it smooth, and here's the result. It looks kind of wonky, but I'm going to work on it a little bit more. I'm working really fast. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning up the cuticle area. Really didn't have much going back into the cuticles. I didn't have to really worry about that. So now here comes all of the filing and shaping. I must have shaped and filed for about 10 minutes at least on that one nail to get it to resemble a shape that I wanted. Like I said, I made it thick, so when it came to filing, I had to file down quite a bit. And I did use my e-file, which is something I do not usually do when using just regular gel. I usually just hand file depending on how I feel. But for this polygel, I found it necessary to use my e-file. So this is just more filing and finally buffing. And the product was really smooth. This is just my habit, the way I do my nails usually, so I didn't skip any steps that I usually do. and I just got lazy and sprayed alcohol on my thumb. So it came out pretty smooth, and I was pleased with that. So I'm just showing you the product again. It came out really smooth, and I was pleased with that. And I'm showing you what I usually use, which is the IBD Soak Off. And I usually just apply some or add some acrylic to that gel and make my own poly gel. And I think I prefer that better, that method, rather than buying the Gelish Polygel. I don't know. I don't know. It was easy to work with on one hand, but a little bit more difficult on the other hand. So I don't know. It's just your personal preference. So my personal preference, I think, would be the regular gel, or to make my own poly gel like I have done previously. And I think I have shown that in other videos as well. But I'm not going to throw this away by any means. So I'm just showing you the nail here. That in my other nails, I top coated them with my Intense Seal top coat by ABD, which I always use. And that's about it, guys. Those are my thoughts on this product. If you'd like to know more, you can leave comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.